Longapo, Longapo.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo.
Oh yeah, you heard it right. Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. Hey, good evening everybody. Good evening, good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Bandera Night Jams with yours truly, DJ Tommy G. Hey, what's up? Monday edition of this radio show. Lunes na naman, ano? Bilis ng araw. Time flies so fast when you're doing radio programming. Bilis ng panahon kasi you're enjoying what you do, you're doing what you like. Kaya that's why. Alright, welcome everybody. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ano nang balita? Ano nang latest? Good evening sa mga tropa ko. Hoy, thank you mga tropa natin sa Holy Trinity. Yan, Holy Trinity University of Batangas. Batangas ba? Tama ba? Let me check na. Oo. Holy Trinity students of hindi, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Yan. Thank you for visiting. Yan, they dropped by at our office, SBMA Telecoms. We gave a little lecture on the usual things that we're doing, the daily operations of the department, pati yung mga naka-mandate sa kanya that we do every day. Ayan. Ang sarap ng na nag-i-impart ng learning sa mga kabataan, sa mga students, no. Yeah, doon sa isang radio station, ayaw yan, pinatigil. Dumudumi daw yung CR. Overlearning, ha? Mas pinili 'yon. Wag madumihan yung CR, overlearning. Tsaka ano pa ba? May mga ganon pagka wala malabnaw. Holy Trinity University tsaka yung Westmead International School of Batangas. Yan. See, the learning, imparting knowledge and learning sa mga kabataan. Magandang bagay 'yan, di ba? Mas importante 'yan sa mga yung mga pansariling kagustuhan, pansariling kapakanan ninyo. Mas importante 'yan, yung imparting knowledge and learning. Yan. So, good evening. Pati na rin yung mga malabnaw. Good evening na rin sa inyo. Di ba yung sabi, yung iba sa post, like si Senyora, magandang gabi, puwera na lang kay Echapuera. Di bale, sa akin hindi. Sinasama ko lahat. Kung good evening lahat. Mabait akong tao Yeah. So, what's the latest? Uy, may Ito, nakakatakot to ha. Ito, speaking of the latest, parang nagbibigay yata ng intelligence ang Russia at saka China sa Iran na intelligence para matulungan sila in their war against USA, di ba? Wala naman akong kinakampihan dito. Basta ako, sinasabi ko, ayaw ko ng gera. Mas maganda walang gera. Walang panalo sa gera. No? It doesn't matter, maka-Iran ka, maka-US ka, kung kanino ka pa man kumakampi, it doesn't matter. Talo pa rin. Okay? Walang nananalo sa gera. Di ba? Kawawa ang mga inosente. Ang the best pa rin yung pwede ba magsiupo na lang tayong lahat at pag-usapan na lang natin? O kaya, magsiupo na lang ang lahat, tapos wala na lang pakialamanan. Yun, mas mabuti yun. Ganun. Oo. Kaya lang, on the other hand, kasi yung mga, siyempre, nanonood naman akong balita, napapanood ko rin yung mga tao ng Iran na matagal ang sigaw nila. Sila, sa kanila nang galing hindi sa akin baka sabihin nyo, pinopromote ko, kinakampihan. Wala akong kinakampihan. Pero umiiyak yung mga Iranian kasi na matagal na raw silang oppress. Alam mo, hindi natin dapat sinisisi yung dahil Muslim, dahil Kristiyano, dahil Iglesia, walang sisihan ng ganun. It's a matter of kasi kung kahit na pa relihiyon mo, kung masamang tao ka no? Di ba? Yun lang siguro yun. May gumagawa kasi ng mga kasamaan, di ba? O kung sino man yung gumagawa ng kasamaan, bahala na kayo, you be the judge of that. Di ba? Kasi pwede mong sabihin lahat yan Kahit sa ang anggulo mo tingnan, meron at merong gumagawa ng kasamaan, bahala kayo kung saan ang anggulo nyo. Basta ako sinasabi ko, I know for a fact na ang Iranian people, majority of them, hindi man lahat, majority of them has been crying for so long. They wanted the freedom that they wanted to have. Di ba? Yun lang naman yun Pero, again, as I said, wala akong kinakampihan, mas maganda walang gera, okay? Pero yun nga, nakakatakot yung latest news na yun kung nagbibigay man ng intel. Pero sa bagay, ginagawa din naman ng US yan di ba? Binibigyan din nila ng intel ang Ukraine in fighting Russia, di ba? So, ple-pleho lang. Sabi nga nung kaibigan nating Chinese, ple-pleho lang, ple. Ple-pleho lang yan, DJ Tommy. Sabi nung kaibigan kong Chinese. Di ba? Yung palaka, di ba? Ang English nun, plug. Yung bandila, English nun, plug, di ba? Plug din. Ple-pleho yan, ple. Di ba? Yung paradahan sa akin, parking area. Chinese eh. Ple-pleho lang yung ple. Oh, yun lang ang isang latest na medyo nakakatakot nga naman. Oh, pag nagkampihan na kasi ng ganyan na alam mo yun, pero natawa ako sa response ni ni Trump doon. Napanood ko rin sa news din hindi sa akin galing sa news galing to. Napanood ko kanina bago ko nag-start mag-on air dito. Tinanong siya ng isang news reporter or media. Sabi niya, what can you say? News has been circulating na, yun nga, nagbibigay ng intelligence ang China and ang Russia tumutulong sa Iran. Sabi niya gano'n, poproblemahin ko pa ba yan? Parang gano'n. Is that a problem? Tapang, yabang no? Hindi raw problema yun. Dahil parang ibig niya sabihin kung paano yung gera na nilalabanan niya, nagbibigay man sila ng intel o hindi, ganun pa rin, gera pa rin. Is that parang no? Tingnan nyo, nasa ano yun Hindi ko maalala kung ano exact words niya, pero something like that yung dating, no? Na ba't ko po problemahin yan? Nagigera na nga di mag-intel sila, gera pa rin naman yun. Diba? Panoorin nyo. Nasa YouTube. Hindi raw YouTube yan, Di ba? Matagal na sinabi. I guess alam nyo na, no? YouTube. Tube, baby. Tube. YouTube. Okay. Siya. Punta na tayo sa today's latest rin lang ang pinag-uusapan. Holidays and observances. Tsaka famous birthday segment. Yan. Holidays and observances and famous birthday segment is brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Ayan. Still, we're promoting the birthday package. Tama-tama because we have the famous birthday segment here. Package A, 2 big family size pizzas, 2 chicken wings. Yung 2 platters yun hindi 2 pirasong chicken wings. Okay? 2 pasta platter. 1 liter lychee lemonade. 2. Okay? And the Angel's Pizza. Alright? Free Angel's Pizza family size pepperoni and APC card. Yung card na Pet Malu. Pag meron ka ng card na yan, minsan may buy one, take one, di ba? So, avail mo, di ba? May mga special sale, special discount pag meron ka ng APC card, Angel's Pizza card, no? Minsan sinusumpong sila, namimigay ng sarili mong branch. Di ba na, Ma'am Erica? And the package B, 2 family size pizza, 2 chicken wings, 1 pasta platter, 2 1-liter lychee lemonade, APC card of course, and the medium-sized pepperoni for only $1,999. Okay? Pangmaramihan yung A, pangmaramihan din yung B. Mas marami yung sa A, syempre, di ba? Okay? Kung mas maraming bisita mo, tama-tama, birthday mo na, diretso na to. Okay, for orders and inquiries, call or text 0967-164-6450, 0967-164-4646. Okay, they are located at number 395 Rizal Avenue, West Tapinak, sa kanto ng 4th Street. Open from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Pag weekend hanggang 1 a.m. pa. Okay, here are the holidays and observances. March 9 na. 10th day of the March na pala bukas. Ang bilis, no? Nakakasampung araw na agad. March 9 is Barbie Day. Okay? For all of you big fans of Barbie, mga, kababaihan, syempre. Kung tayo, favorite toy natin, yung mga kotse-kotsehan, baril-barilan. Sa mga kababaihan yan, Barbie. Tsaka, Barbie Day, March 9. Tsaka meron din kasabihan minsan, di ba, na sabi ko na, Barbie. Nararamdaman ko na, nung una pa lang, Barbie. Alam niyo na ibig sabihin nun. Fill our staplers day. Oh yeah, sa office, no? Madalas mangyari sa akin to gagamit akong stapler, wala palang bala. Wala palang laman. So make it a habit to fill the staplers, ha? Para pag may, ewan ko ba't natsyempo lang sa akin lang ba? Gagamitin ko, walang bala. Lagi. Minsan ko na nga lang gamitin. Ibig sabihin wala talaga nag-refill, nagre-refill. Napping day! Isa na yun sa mga paborito kong gawin ngayon at my age. Alam mo, while you get older, parang ang sarap-sarap matulog. Ang sarap maghihilata, maghapon, magdamag. Lalo na pagkagaya ko na dalawa yung trabaho. Every chance I get na humilata, parang nasasabi ko, ay, ang sarap palang humilata. Walang magulo ha, walang maingay. Huwag niyo akong gigisingin. Hayaan niyo ako humilata. Parang ganun. Di ba nung bata tayo, inis na inis tayo, pinapatulog tayo ni nanay, no, pag tanghali, no. Oh, ngayon, pag lumaki ka na, may isip mo, ang sarap pala na lagi nakahilata. Hindi mo na magawang magpahinga. Urban Educator Day, aka the teachers, the mentors, coaches, kasama rin dyan, educators, nagbibigay ng leksyon. For us, this is one thing I'm proud with me and my colleagues at the SBMA Telecoms Department ng SBMA. I feel like we're educators na rin. Kasi yung mga students from different schools and universities from around the country, yung iba galing pa sa malalayo. Like the other day, we have visitors from Palawan pa. Students from Palawan, students from Mindanao. Mga malalayo yung pinanggalingan, no? They visit the office. We give them, kasi mga related yung course nila IT, computer science, electronics engineering. So we give them briefing or talks on how the department functions, no? Na related naman kasi telecommunications di ba? We got engineers there, we got technicians. We handle all the different equipments, electronics, gadgets of the entire agency, the SBMA. It's always nice. It always feels good. It always feels great to be something like an educator, a mentor, di ba? You're imparting knowledge. Parang pinagpapasahan mo ng karunungan yung mga kabataan. Ang sarap ng ganung feeling, no? 'Di ba? Ang sarap noon. Yeah. And nasabi ko lang, nadagdag ko lang kasi today is Urban Educators Day. Yeah. So those are today's holidays and observances. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, mga March 9 birthday celebrants naman, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Isabel Granada. Birth anniversary for her actually because she passed away a couple of years ago. The cause of her death, do you guys still remember? Parang similar to stroke pero there's another term for it, di ba? Aneurysm, there you go. Aneurysm. March 9, 1976 when she was born. And she passed away, a couple of years ago. Mm-hmm. And next up we have happy birthday also to happy birthday to Rosemary Hill. Ayan, veteran actress Rosemary Hill was born March 9, 1942. Happy birthday to you. All right. And next up we have Kabi Lame. Kabi Lame or Lame. I don't know. Kasi he's African. Sumikat to sa he's a TikTok superstar. Grabe yung dami ng followers nito. Alam nyo ba? 160 million followers. Okay? And more than 2.6 billion likes on the platform of TikTok. Yan. Si Kababi actually. Pinashorten lang, Kabi Lame. Siya yung yung every time there's a crazy situation, parang ipapakita niya sa'yo na hindi naman ganun kahirap yun. Hindi naman ganun ka, simpleng-simple lang. Tapos yung kamay niya, those who can see me in the video, yung ganyan. Yung sinushow niya, see? Parang ganun. Yun, doon siya sumikat. You got the idea na? Kung wala pa, hanapin nyo na lang, TikTok. Kabi Lame or Lame. I don't know, because he's from Senegal in Africa. He turns 26 today. All right. Actually, he's one of my favorites. on the parang anong tawag dito? Mga sikat na online. There you go. Next up, we have rapper Bow Wow. You guys remember Bow Wow? Wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. He turns 39 today. Happy birthday. Another rapper, YG. If you're familiar, si YG, songs that he made popular. Ano nga ba? My Nigga. Wala akong magagawa. Yun yung title ng song niya. Yun yung ginawa niyang title. Isa yun sa pinakasumikat, no? He had a collaboration with 2 Chainz din, no? And next up we have movie actress Brittany Murphy. Birth anniversary for her then because she passed away a couple of years ago. She was born March 9, 1986. Okay, and Brittany Snow. Brittany Snow pala ito. I'm sorry. Buhay pa. Pinatay ko kagad eh. Iba si Brittany Murphy, iba si Brittany Snow. Brittany Snow is still alive. And she was in the movie John Tucker Must Die. There you go. May must die kasi kaya. She was in Hairspray and Pitch Perfect series of movies. Turns 40 today, si Brittany Snow. March 9, 1986. I was thinking of Brittany Murphy. Why? Because they kind of look alike. Yeah. Tapos pareho pang Brittany, no? All right. Next up, we have happy birthday to, also to, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know this couple of people. Si Taeyeon. Yeah, I know Taeyeon. She's a South Korean superstar. Yeah, March 9, 1989. She is a member of Girls' Generation. There you go. You guys still remember? Wala na kasi ngayon yung Girls' Generation, you know? The South Korean all-female pop group, no? Okay? Are they still around? I don't know. But they had countless, numerous hits. And next up we have, lastly, si Mr. Raul Julia. He was born March 9, 1940. He's a movie actor. Si Raul Julia, he once played the role of Gomez Adams in the Adams Family. Yun na una pang edition, no? Okay? And he was born March 9, 1940. So there you have it, celebrities and the likes. Celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, March 9 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today. Call or text me up 0910-6909-501. Call or text me up, huh? And yeah. Let me do the birthday shoutouts for you, okay? Couple of my friends celebrating their birthdays today. Ito mga tropa. Happy birthday muna kay Madam Feli Francisco. Ma'am Feli, kamusta ka na? I hope you're doing fine. All right. It was her birthday yesterday ba? Or the other day? I think yesterday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Feli Francisco. Pati na rin si Kuya Arsenio Villegas Dado. Kamusta na, Kuya? I hope you're doing fine, huh? All right. Arsenio Villegas Dado, and who else do we gotta greet? Si Kuya Ross Jul Florendo. Happy birthday, pare koy! May lumpia pa ba? Penge. And lastly, si paring Jerry Gapuz of the SBMA Telecommunications Department. Ayan. Kuya Jerry! Idol Jerry! How you doing? Are you doing fine? Penging lumpiang Shanghai. Ayan. So there you have it. Couple of my friends celebrating their birthdays today. Kayo rin. If you have somebody celebrating special, celebrating your birthday, you have somebody special, text me now. 0910-6909-501. Or message me on the live video. The live video is up sa Radyo Bandera page. I shared it with Olongapo related page. Kasi nga, Radyo Bandera, Olongapo, News FM, yeah. Kaya Olongapo page, syempre. My page as well. Okay? So right about now, we will take the quick bottom of the hour break. We will be back with more. Please stick around.
Radyo Bandera.